no, man. They ain't paying no, man. Everything I did was from my hood this whole time. I'm telling this whole time. From my hood this whole time. Gotta take advantage out of mine to take advantage out. So the car like going by a ballpark. Drove a stolen car, now my car pushed on. I'm trying to park in the TNT like Walmart. I can hear the first. 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 I can hear the first.
Top of the clock. We hand welding, hitting these spots that the Veramat, the machine, couldn't reach. Getting the hand weld, getting the detail on the AC units. You like to tack it by hand, stick it down, and then you're looking for a 2-inch weld all the way down. And it's just hot air heating up the PVC membrane, and it sticks to itself. That's why they call it single ply, because once it's all hot air welded together, it's in theory one single piece. Cutting these 8-inch target patches for these corners of these curbs where the single ply overlaps corners. You add a patch. This is unreinforced detail membrane, 55 mil thick. We also use this detail membrane to prefabricate pipe boots. You can use it for T-joint covers. Gotta cut these targets out because that motherfucker said I don't even know how to roof in a curb. It's just what it looks like when an estimator fucks up and lowballs the job, and we're out here trying to make up for it. Think I'm gonna let these guys go over it by so many mandates? Hell no. I'm gonna be out here pushing, working right there with it. Cuddy over here on the hand welder. You would think there's a faster way. Got some sharp AJC scissors. About the best way. Shout out AJC. Sponsor a regular real roofer. It's like arts and crafts, bro. That's why I love roofing. You know, hand welding. It's kind of oddly satisfying, melting the material together.
Sex drive with you swerve, I want that interference.
All right, let's weld one. Get my cleaner, get my rags. So this one patch gonna make it. All right, so I had it on a 10, drop it down to about an 8. Detail heats up a lot faster. It's good to heat it up. Give it a little stretch. Easier to shape and mold it on the corners. So we're going to cover this bottom corner and this corner where the single ply is overlapping. This flat piece. Let's see if I fuck up on the first try. I like to run it up the vertical seam first. It's key when you're welding, keep the roller perpendicular with the heat coming out so it don't get stuck in there. Shout out BDR, he gave me the prime grip fucking roller out there in Vegas. I think we traded for like an 1/8 of weed. Fair trade. So it's important on this detail membrane to heat it up enough to where it sticks, but not too much to where you're melting the material. If you melt it, get it too hot, it's just gonna rip and tear. But there you have it. That's a finished product corner.
PVC Trim Co. Detail. Right here on these corners. T-patch. Cover. 1, 2, 3. Start out at the middle. Make sure you get a good stick. Make sure you're working that heat in there. Want it to be fully down. Just go over it so you start seeing it stick. Just go in a semicircle, making sure that everything's down. Make sure your middle's done real well. Try not to burn yourself. Just go in a circle. Make sure on your passes you're giving it the crimp. Keep it going. Crimp them all. Sometimes put your finger there to get it in there a little bit smoother. And just make sure that you're moving, not burning anything. Make sure it's sticking. Be careful on these little angles. You want to get in there, maybe even put your thumb in there. Get that real well. Heat and pressure is your friend. Heat and pressure. Subscribe, like.
What's happening? Well, we're welding some cover strips. We make these clad metal in 10-foot pieces, and you don't overlap them, you just butt them up. Actually, you leave a little 1/4-inch gap in between them, and then you weld this 6-inch cover patch over the top of these joints and onto the deck. Get it waterproofy. How you gonna sell this type of shit when you don't know how long it takes to weld a cover strip? But at least now you got a video and you can see how long it takes a slowpoke like me. That's it, every 10 feet, all the way around.
Alright guys, how you doing, man? We back same thing every day. I have to get some ice block for the garage. So working, we do every day, man. I love my job, man. I thank God, man, it's life, there's hope, man. No matter what you're going through, when you're still alive, there's hope. I know that it's still hot now, but what it is, man. This is what we life doing. I love my job. Thank you. Glass roofing. One love.